This is Amos from Nimble. In this video, I'm going to show you how to morph a menu icon into a close icon in InVision Studio. So let's get started. Here you can see I have one artboard and a menu icon. If I click to expand, you can see I have three paths layers. First, let's select the artboard. Press Alt and Shift, drag to the right to make a copy. On artboard 2, I'm going to select the middle path and press backspace to delete. We are going to move the two path layers to the same position as the middle layer on artboard 1. First, let's select the middle layer on artboard 1 and go to the inspector. You can see the Y position is at the position of 284. Let's select the two layers on artboard 2 and put them at the same position. In the inspector, let's change the Y position to 284 and press enter. And now all the layers are in tandem. There's one superposed on the other. Let's select the top layer and from the inspector let's rotate it to an angle of 45. Let's select the second layer and rotate this to an angle of minus 45. Now we are going to apply an interaction on the menu icon on artboard 1. And since we deleted the middle layer and rotated the layers by 45 degrees, InVision Studio is going to animate the difference. Let's select the menu icon on artboard 1 and press C to create an interaction. Now we have the segue. Let's move on top of the artboard 2 and click. Now we have the interaction dialog. We will leave the trigger as tap and change the transition from preset to motion. Let's change the duration to 0.5 and press enter. Let's go to artboard 2, select the icon. You can see on artboard 2 and artboard 1, all the icons have the same name, menu. And InVision Studio is going to animate the difference based on the layer names. I'll select the layer and press C. Now I have the segue. I'll point to artboard 1, click, and I have the interaction dialog. I'll leave the trigger type as tap and change the transition preset to motion and save the interaction. Now we are ready to preview the animation. I'll tap, and as you can see, we have the morphing animation. So friends, this is how to morph a menu icon into a close icon in InVision Studio. If you want to see more videos like this in the future, please subscribe to the channel, and thanks for watching.